Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on a W204. It's a Mercedes C200 CTI. A few days ago I put my diagnostics machine and an error code popped up. Basically it said B50 temperature sensor open or short circuit. This sensor basically is for measuring the fuel temperature. I'll show you where it's located. It's on the engine compartment. Let's just pop open this cover. Right, so in front of the engine we've got it's going to be a bit difficult to reach. The best thing to do really is to remove the air intake manifold there, because the actual temperature sensor for fuel is just right over there. Yeah, that's the one. So let me remove these. The best thing to do really is to wedge out the air intake pipe there. Right, I've just removed the air intake pipe. Hopefully we've got a bit of space there to maneuver. Right, one thing that you should be careful about is when you're removing the connector, you don't damage the cable. All you need to do is put a flat there and just wedge it up. Just pull it towards you and it will just loosen up. Another thing we probably need now is spanner. I'd say 19mm. I don't think an open-ended spanner will do here, so I guess a deep socket will. Let's see if this can fit. Yep, perfect. So 19mm it is. Right, so this is what the temperature sensor looks like. Let me just check if it's the same with the one that I got, the new one. Yep, that looks precisely it. And that's where the sensor is located. Right, so I'm just going to tidy this up. Don't want to keep the video long. Putting it back is just the reverse of what we did. It's a no-brainer. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.